Hello everyone and welcome back to Pampery channel right here. Today we'll be unboxing this new Rode NT USB Mini. Now when you're searching for this mic, just say this NT USB and then Mini at the end. Now I have watched the people that have tested this mic truly, and it have a depth of voice that are better, the quality of the voice that are better than the AKG LYRA or thing like that, or the Blue Yeti, or the popular mic. I feel like this is a very good for value microphone, especially since I do streaming every day. I feel like this is what I need. You don't need a lot of pattern. You need cardioid, where it pick up the front the most, and then the side not too much for the side, because like you'll be placing your keyboard and things like that. This thing does not pick up keyboard that much as well, so it's actually pretty good. When I heard like other mic, they pick up keyboard quite a lot, but this one doesn't so much. And this one came out in 2020, so you don't have to worry that you'll be getting the old model or whatnot. So what I want to do right now is I want to open it up. So this is what you get in the box. Okay, so this is just empty. But I like the packaging. It's very bare bone, very nice right here. This is brand new, by the way. I removed the seal. It comes with the seal on bottom, and if you do not have the seal, then you should ask why they don't have the seal at the bottom of the box, because they always come with the seal. And it also have the sticker. If you can see, it say void on it. You see? If you put out there, it say void right away. So Rode sticker have void on them. If it's just like a normal stickers, then, or like a very clear one, then you know that someone opened your box. Come with a really easy manual right here, as you can see. Also can be used with the headphone, where you can monitor yourself with 0% latency, 0 millisecond latency right here. Really nice. I like it. Let's go. It's a bit hard to do this on one hand. So as you can see, this just pop off. We see the microphone for the very first time right there. Come equipped with the stand right away, so should be no problem. I might not be able to do this one-handed. To be honest, I was hoping that I can do it one-handed, but I guess not. So two-handed is just one sec. The box itself is it's locked. So if you try to take it out, like you try to pull it, it won't really come out that well. It also have this. So I tried to shake it. It also does not budge. I tried to pull the microphone. It does not budge as well. The box itself constructs this really well. So I'm not really sure how to pull it out. Trying to pull out the box right here. It won't budge. Like if you pull it, it doesn't go anywhere. So this is a really good box for like, you know, holding things in place. So what happened is that you have to use two hands like this, and then you pull it together. So this is how you get your product out. You pull this together, and then you just pull it out. Now, or else it won't work. Like any other way, it won't work. Use some force on it, and you get it out. Okay, come with this. Really nice. That they come with no humidity one. Really nice. Up top we have the cable. Oh, it just go out like that. Okay, that's nice. But as you can see, we do have the cable right here. So let me get that out. So it's the USB-C to USB, really nice. Also have the Rode cable management as well. I really like how Rode packaged this from the box until when I opened it. I will not include the performance review. You can hear me when I'm using this mic on my stream, which I do every single day. So this is what it is. Really nice. You can see the function in the manual, which you can press this one for latency and zero millisecond monitoring, which is really nice. You just press on this and you cycle through the mode. You make sure that USB is connected. It will light up here. Zero latency, it light up right here on the left. USB on the right, and that's it. This one has the detachable base connected by magnetic right here. Really nice. So overall, I'm very impressed with my unboxing. I'm very happy, and I hope that you guys will be having an enjoyable time watching me when I'm streaming using this microphone. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.